everybody. Today I'm going to be making 4-ingredient sticky chicken. And when I say it's easy, it's really easy. I'm going to need either all chicken legs, and I've combined 4 or 5 of them with a chicken breast bone in. Going to need 2 cups of brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of kosher white salt. First off, you're going to want to layer the bottom of your slow cooker with your legs and chicken breast, trying not to stack them as much as possible. I didn't totally achieve that, but it's alright. Second, you're going to want to take your brown sugar mixture and generously pour and sprinkle it over the chicken. Alright, well I'm going to put the cover on, and it's going to go on low for the next 6 to 7 hours. It's been cooking for a good 7 hours on low. I'm going to be removing it and putting it on an oven-safe pan where it's going to go under the broiler for a good minute or 2. You need to keep an eye on it or it can burn very easily. But we're going to try to crisp it up a little. Alright, I have dished up some. It is cooked perfectly. It's falling off the bone kind of good. I'm going to get a piece of our leg piece and try it on out. The flavor of it has that wonderful brown sugar flavor. It occurs to me you could always put a little bit of a roux into your leftover brown sugar sauce and make a nice little gravy or slurry out of it. I'm serving mine with some collard greens, or mixed greens I should say. This could go well for anything. A holiday, some French fries, whatever side you want to have with it. So, you know the drill. If you have any thoughts about what I did, don't like it, love it, thinks it looks amazing, let me know. Leave me a comment, leave me a like about it. I will see you in our next video.